Hello everyone, welcome to our science series. Today we are starting a very important chapter from class 10th chemistry, carbon and its compound. This chapter is not only crucial for your board exam but also forms the foundation for understanding organic chemistry in higher classes. We all know that everything around us is made up of elements, but among all elements, carbon is one of the most versatile and unique. From the diamond in jewelry to the graphite in pencils to the fuel we burn to the very molecules in our body, carbon is very important and everywhere. Have you ever thought why carbon can form so many compounds while other elements like sodium and magnesium can't? That's exactly we are going to understand in this chapter. In this chapter, we will explore what makes carbon so special, its tetravalency and catenation properties, how carbon forms such a huge number of organic compounds, different types of carbon compounds, hydrocarbons, alcohols, carboxylic acids, functional group and nomenclature, and finally some important chemical reactions of carbon compounds. Let's look at the real life examples of carbon. Coal is the key source of energy. It's mainly made of carbon and is used in industries and power generation. Petrol and other fuels like diesel and natural gas are carbon compounds called hydrocarbon. Pencil, the black part of pencil is graphite, which is a pure form of carbon. And the food we eat, carbohydrates, fats, proteins are all carbon compounds. Now the question is, why do we need to study carbon and its compound? The answer is simple. Carbon compounds are found everywhere around us. They form the basis of life, fuels, medicine, plastics and fabrics. Understanding carbon helps us explain how living organisms survive and how fuels like petrol and coal release energy and how new materials like synthetic fibers and polymers are made. Carbon chemistry also connects science with technology, from energy production to environmental studies and even in the design of medicines. So, studying carbon is not just about learning reaction, it's about understanding the world around us. Now that we know why carbon is so important, let's talk about a special branch of chemistry called organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is simply the study of carbon compound, especially those that contain carbon and hydrogen together. Before we move ahead, let's look at some interesting facts about carbon. Did you know that carbon can form more than 3 million different compounds? That's more than all compounds found by every other element combined. That is why carbon is called the most versatile element in the periodic table. Another amazing fact is that carbon exists in two well known pure compounds called diamond and graphite. Thanks for watching.